Hi, this is my honest review for the House of Marley Get Together Duo speakers. They're Bluetooth. I got these from my laptop. Really enjoy them because the wood finish. Really like this little padding that they each have here. Has this little design. I'm guessing it's to help the sound be better, to sound better. I'm not really sure, but this is the logo for the M for Marley. There's the power button. These are the lights. I'll show you in a moment on how, when they turn on. The volume button, to lower it, to increase it, to connect it to Bluetooth. This one has the same. This is for me the left speaker. This is the right speaker. When you hold this button, you have to turn both on.
Powering on.
Okay.
Powering on.
And now they'll sync, and then they'll connect to my laptop. It'll tell you, which is pretty cool. Come on.
Paired.
So there they paired.
Left channel. Right channel.
And there you go. So that means the left channel, right channel is that, they synced. You can hear. If you just turn on this one and not this one or vice versa, you'd only hear the sound out of one speaker. So obviously, good to turn them both on. And this is the back. Well, this is the back of this one. This is the Bluetooth one. You do have to charge it. So you would plug it in there. I plug it into my laptop. This plug right here. This is for the aux in. I don't use these, but if you want to use your speakers, your headphones, you can use that. But I just plug this in to charge it, and the charge is pretty good. I would say for several days. A couple days. I don't have it on all day. They do turn off automatically after about, 30 minutes. I'm not really sure the exact time, but if it's not playing any sound at all, 30, 45 minutes, they turn off on their own, and it'll say turning off. Well, it'll say like this. I just press it.
Powering off.
It just does that automatically to save battery, which is nice. This one is plugged in, as you can see. So that one you would plug into your outlet. And yeah, and then when this one is running low on battery, it'll say time to recharge, low battery. And then you I just honestly just plug it right into the computer while I'm on the laptop, and then it just starts charging. And I wait a little while. I give it a couple of hours, an hour to charge, and I unplug. So yeah, so that's the Marley Get Together Duo speakers. I really enjoy them and hope you do too.